Hi, fans of Aliexpress. Here I have my old screen, the one that is broken. It is connected only with the display cable here, okay? So this is for you to see that the old screen is working with the phone, okay? You see. Then we will disconnect the battery first, okay? Then we will deattach the old screen, this one, okay? You see it's broken here. Then this is your screen, okay? It's fully connected also with all the sensors for the Face ID. So we are going to connect the display cable carefully. It's a bit tricky. Now. You see, it's well connected. It's well attached. Okay. So we connect the battery also. Then we press the on button and nothing happens. It's completely black. You see. The vibration works, just the screen is completely black.